Hope hope you all can see my screen. Is it visible, guys? Okay, first of all, we have some rules in our bootcamp. You all should be interactive with me. I will not be the only person talking to you because you must also talk. It should be a to and fro conversation. Uh, because if I keep on talking and if I keep on explaining it to you, you guys will just listen and you guys will forget it immediately after the bootcamp ends. So I just want you guys to react so that even I know you people are following me and you people are understanding what I'm actually telling. So please guys, please be reactive, interactive and active throughout the session. Until and unless I won't see any reactions, I cannot start the boot camp. Please guys, I want you to be with high enthusiasm. Even I am here with full energy. Actually, this was supposed to be taken yesterday, but because of there was no power since morning, since yesterday morning, and I am able to take this today, even though it is raining outside. So guys, please be interactive. Is my voice audible to you guys? Okay. Okay. So first things first, what I want to say is, in after this boot camp, you guys will receive a participation certificate. Uh, I'll send it via email, Gmail to you guys. And apart from that, I have created a documentation for you guys, which you can go and access. It is a sort of one-stop solution for any of your SQL doubts. So let me just show you that. Just a second. See guys, I have created this just so that you can understand everything about SQL. Is this visible? Is my screen visible? Yeah, it is visible. So we'll talk about this later. See, there are every single concepts here from basics to intermediate levels, including window functions and CTs also. CTs means common table expressions. You guys can access this after the bootcamp. I will share you the link. And apart from that, I've also created a small database where you can practice your queries. See here, you can see there are two tables, users tables and posts tables. You can practice your queries here. Okay, is this okay, guys? Okay. So, today we are going to do something different. Guys, if you have attended any another SQL boot camps or any another boot camps, they'll open up MySQL or PostgreSQL or Microsoft SQL. There are multiple ways to uh, run your SQL command. There are multiple platforms for that. First is MySQL, second is PostgreSQL, third is Microsoft SQL also. So today we are not going to use any of that because what I want you to teach you is, so any there may be commands. I want to show you basics, which when you learn those basics, you can use any of the SQL servers. It may be MySQL or it may be PostgreSQL, because all of them are similar, but this difference in there are very minute differences. So today what are we going to do is actually this is a SQL lab which is provided by Chai or Code. His name is Hitesh Chaudhary. He is a YouTuber and he has created this SQL lab where you can practice all your SQL queries easily. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this. I will teach you guys queries through this only. And the main reason I'm not teaching you through MySQL is when I released the registration form for Queries at Go, most of them said their familiarity with SQL is from 3 to between 3 to 5. So I am hoping that I am keeping in mind that you guys already know SQL something. You have some knowledge about SQL. So we'll just go into writing queries from with we'll write our queries. Okay, I'll not teach you the basics, I'll not say you any basics. There are multiple questions here, almost there are 50 questions. After this I'll also share this link to you guys, you can go and practice your queries there. Okay, is it okay? Let us start now. Yes or no? Okay. So first question is very easy. It just says select all columns. Um, can any one of you say what query can we write here? Because this is basics, right? I know that many of them know basics. We'll go from basics, and we gradually the hardness of the questions will increase, and after that we'll try to solve some lead code questions. Here also there are some lead lab questions. We'll try to solve these questions. Okay, is it okay, guys? Hope you are all following me. Okay, let's go. So first thing first, what is the question? We'll read the question from now. See, what it says is select star. Okay, we'll read our task and we'll write our queries. Okay, it says select all columns from the users table to see customer data including ID, name. These are the columns. Okay, so let me show you the date table first. See, there are he also is also given a option for the database schema. So we have here users table, departments table, employees table, categories table, suppliers. There are multiple tables. Okay, we'll see that later in the session. So what is there in the users table? We'll first decode it right now. Okay, first column is ID. ID is the primary key. Okay, are you guys following me? I want reactions from you guys. Are you guys following it or not, or is it confusing? If it is confusing, I'll repeat it as many times as possible. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Just a second. Okay. See, first column is ID. ID is the primary key. Second is name, email, phone, age, country, city, etc. So what he is asking here, what the task is. See, it says select all columns from the users table. That's it. It is simple. So what we'll write? We'll write select command star indicates that it will retrieve all the contents from our table. Select star from users. That's it. We'll run it. See, you have got the correct result. See, what have we here? First ID is one, name is Alice Johnson, email ID is email ID, phone number, age, country, city, etc. Like that, we have almost 15 rows in our users table. Done. First one is done. Okay. Or should I go into more basics and explain you every single word or every single line? Uh, Please react, guys. Okay, this is the interactive session where I am going to teach you how to write queries and how the thinking process should be while reading the question. So first of all, SQL is very easy. There is nothing to worry about. You can just more than half of the question is the solution itself. Okay, see, first one is done. So let's go to the second question. What it says? It says select only the name and email columns from the users table. So it is simple. Instead of writing star, we should write select name comma email from users. See, done. Previously we got all the columns. Here we got only name and email ID. See, only name and email ID. Is it clear, guys? Give me a thumbs up if it is okay, or the pace is too fast, or do you need to, like, okay. So let's go. If this is clear, we'll go with third question. See, it says select all unique countries from the users table. So first of all, it is saying unique countries. Why it is saying unique countries? First, we'll run this query and see what actually is there in our table. Select star from users. See, if we see countries, there is USA, Canada, UK, and there is USA again. See, USA is repeating, Canada is repeating, Australia is repeating. So we don't want duplicate items. So to remove duplicate items, what we'll do is we'll write a keyword called distinct, and what he wants country, right? See, we got we got countries, and there are four countries: Australia, Canada, UK, and USA. Okay, is this okay, guys? Is it clear, or should I go forward? Please react. Okay, let's go with fourth one. See, in just 5 minutes we have wrote three queries. It is as simple as that. So what our task is here? It says select all columns from the users table, but we'll return only the first five rows. See, if we normally write select star from users, it will retrieve all the rows. It will retrieve all the rows. But what he wants is he wants only first five rows. So what we'll use is we'll use a command called limit, and what he wants five. See, we got only first five rows. If we want 10 rows, we'll write limit of 10. See, we got 10 rows. Okay, done, clear. Shall we proceed? Okay, guys. The only reason I am directly jumping into queries is because SQL is easy, and we have only 2 hours of time, and this is just the basics. And apart from that, I know that most of the people who have joined here have basic knowledge of SQL. Okay, let's go to fifth question. What it says? It says task. What the task is? We should select name and country from users table, but we should display the name column and country column as customer name and location. Normally, what we'll write is select name, comma country from users table. Okay. If we write this, see what is the column name here? It is name, and it is country, right? So instead of that, what we want is we want the column name as customer name and location. So it is as simple as that. We'll write name as customer name and country as location. That's it. If we run the query, see the column name has changed to customer name and location. Say what this as is. As means alias name. So we are referring the name column as customer name. We are just changing the name. It is good for it is used very much in data analyst role, where we must extract the data from the database as per our wish. Okay, is this okay, guys? This is called aliasing. Okay, hope this is okay. Let's go. So this is just the basics of querying data. I know that most of them know this. So let's go. So what we want? Let's go to the sixth question. What it says is, it says select all columns from the products table, and we should sort the all the columns by price in ascending order. So it is simple. First, it is saying the products table, right? First we'll see into products table. Where is the products table? See, in products table, what we have is again ID as the primary key, name, description. There are two foreign keys which are referencing to another tables, and there is price, and there is stock. We should sort the price, sort the columns in with respect to price. So what we'll do, we'll say select star from products table, and we'll use a keyword called order by price, and we'll use ASC, but you need not use ASC because the default for order by is ascending order only. See, we got it. The output which we have got is ordered by using price. See, it is lowest to highest. It goes from 9.99 to 999.99. Okay, is this okay, guys? This is how we order our queries, our outputs. Okay guys, this is also called as sorting data. Done? Are you guys there? Are you listening? Are you following me? Okay, let's go with our next question. So it is this, in the previous question it was he was asking to sort by ascending order. We'll sort from highest to lowest, thus means descending order. What we want, select name, comma, price from products, order by price, DSC. We'll use DSC to tell order by descending order. See, now previously we got lowest to highest, we got highest to lowest now. 99 to 9.99. Okay guys, that as simple as that. It is as simple as that. Okay, let's go. What it says, we'll read the question first. See, it says we should select, we want the output, we want name, country and age of users as our output, but we should sort the columns in by country A to Z, and also on top of that age should be youngest first. So you guys tell me, uh, what can we do here? Anyone write it in the chat box what it is. Okay, anyone? Shruti Kodari is raising her hand. Okay, you can unmute yourself, I guess, if you want to. Okay, we'll write the query now. See, it is as simple as that. Select name, comma, country, comma, age from users, and we should order by. First things first is order. We should order by country, and we should order by age. See, that's it. We got from it is A, C, U, and we got from age 25 to 36. It is all in ascending order. This is called multiple. We are using multiple constraints on order by. Okay. Please react, guys, if you are understanding it, or I can teach. I can repeat it again as many times as possible. Okay. Let's go. We have done two things: querying data and sorting data. The next thing is filtering data. See what the question here is. It says select all columns from the users table where the country is USA. So we want only the details of the users who reside in USA. So for that, what we can write? Again, the select, it says all columns. Select star from which table? From users table, from users. And here we'll use a new clause called where country equal to USA. So what this query does is it will only retrieve the data of the people who are living in USA. See, it says if the country equal to USA, only that will get only that query. See, we have got all the details of people who are there in USA only. See, all USA, USA, USA. Okay, I hope this is clear. This is just the basics. The level will get increasing as we go down the line and as we solve more and more questions. Okay guys, let's go. I'll level up my pace now. See what the task here is. It says select name and age from users. It wants name and age from users table. Only the details of those users whose age is greater than 35. So what we'll do? It is simple. Select name, comma age from users where age greater than symbol 35. Run query. We got only the details of users whose age is greater than 35. Okay, Done. Is it okay? Let's go. Guys, I want you to be interactive throughout the session, or else it will be of no use. You will be just wasting your energy and your time by just sitting there idly and doing nothing. If you are interacting with me and if you are telling anything, then only it will be of some value to you. Okay? And I need not tell every single second that please be interactive, please uh, please be active also. Okay, so let's go. What the task here is, it says select name, country and age again from users table, where country is USA and age also is less than 32. So we want the details of users who live in USA and their age is less than 32. It is simple. Again, we should select name, country, age from users. We'll use where clause. First, will country equal to USA and age less than 32. See, we have got only the people who reside in USA and their age is 32. Okay, shall we proceed? Okay, let's go. See, what this says is select name and country from users table, where country is Canada or UK. So it is the same thing again. Select name comma country from users, where country equal to USA or country equal to UK. Okay, there is some issue here. Select name from users where countries. Oh, we want Canada, right? Canada. See, we got only the people who reside in Canada or UK. We got both of them. Okay, let's proceed here. So what this says is, we want name and country from users who live in USA, Canada or UK. Okay, so for that we'll use a operator called in operator. We'll write select name comma country from users, where country in. We'll use the in clause, and in brackets we'll write our conditions: USA comma UK comma Canada. Done. See, we got all the users who reside in USA, Canada and UK also. Done, guys. Shall we proceed, or is it confusing? Okay, let's go. Okay, next is not in. It is same as in. Instead of in, we'll write not in. It says select. We want only the people who are not residing in USA or Canada. We'll write select name, country from users, where country not in USA, comma Canada. So we got people who live in UK, Australia. We have got no one who lives in USA and Canada. Okay, shall we proceed? Okay, let's go. This is how we use not in one. Next is between operator. So what it wants is, he want name and price of the product, where the price is between 20 and 100. So this is also simple again. Select name comma price from products, where price between between 20 and 100. See, we got only the prices between 20 and 100. Done. Okay guys, this is how you use between and along with where clause and clause. Okay, is this clear guys? Please give me a thumbs up if it is okay, and we'll proceed. Okay, let's go. Like, see, this is called as pattern matching. So what he wants is, he wants to select name and email of the users where his name starts with A. So what it is simple. First, the again select query name comma email from users table where name we'll use, because we are using here pattern matching, we'll use the operator called like, and in bracket the first word is A. So and after A we'll use the symbol of percentage, because what this percentage says is it the the word starts with A and can end with as many letters as possible after A. So if we run this query, we got one row Alice Johnson. Okay, this is how you do pattern matching guys. Okay, let's go. uh, what it says is select name and phone from users where phone number is null. It is simple again. Select, we'll do select name comma phone from users where their phone is null. So what this query says is, we are selecting name and phone from users table, and we are retrieving only the row of the user where the phone number is null. So if we do this, we got three rows where there is no value in phone column. Okay, is this clear guys? Yes or no? Is this clear or not? We are using is null operator. That's it. That is as simple as that. Okay. Next question is, what it says is select name and phone from users where phone is not null. So what he is asking is, we want the information of the users where the phone number is present, where we have the information of his phone number. So select name comma phone from users where phone is not null. We previously used is null, we are using is not null. So we got all the rows where phone number is not null. It means not null means phone number is present there. Okay. Okay guys, and after this, here till here we have covered the basics of SQL, and now we are going towards joins. This is the most important part. Okay, we are going to write queries using joins now. So please be active, and please let me know that you are present in the meeting or not. Okay, if yes, give me a thumbs up. Do you all need not be shy guys, because I am also a student like you. We are not in a classroom. Okay, I am just trying to help you guys here. And I know one thing, I want to say one thing. You guys can learn SQL very easily through YouTube. It is there are multiple resources, and there are multiple people who can teach you SQL way better than me. I am just trying to help you guys to make you familiarize with SQL, and after this you can practice by yourself. That is the main idea behind this bootcamp. I am not here to teach you anything, because I am also a student, and uh, I also have minimal knowledge. Okay, but I am trying to help you guys to learn and to level up. Okay. Okay, let's go. So first things first, if you want to learn or if you want to write any query using joins, you need to know aliases. We have solved a previous question about that. So let's read the task first. It says select name and email from users. We should alias the table as you. Select name, comma email from users as you. So guys, you need not be confused here. Why we are using you is because when in future when you are in a company or when you are working as a data analyst, you must write very big and large queries, and where you need to uh, you need to call the same columns multiple times. So we are using alias just so that it becomes easier for you to call the same table in a single query. Okay guys, there is nothing if you remove this also, you will get the same input, same output. See, there is the same output, there is no change in output. And instead of you writing as you can also write user space u. U is just a thing which I am using. You can write a, you can write x, you can write y, you can write anything there. I am just using u for your convenience or for my convenience. Okay, so now we are going into the first join, which is inner join. So what this inner join does is, so let's suppose, okay, let me, for this let me bring my blackboard here, just a second. Okay, see, for suppose I have is this visible guys? Okay, yeah, I have two tables here. This is one table and this is the second table, and this is the users table and this is the products table. Let's say there are multiple things here. There are multiple entries in users table, there are multiple entries in products table. So in case there is one problem arriving where I want both of the data, like data of users table and data of products table. First things first, we use joins. But if I want only the common things which are present in between users and products, then I will use inner join. First, let's suppose this is the left table and this is the right table. See, let me bring it here again. Let's suppose this is a users table, this is the products table, and I am joining them. I am explaining it to you using Venn diagrams, and I only want the middle part, I only want the common part. Then I'll use join, inner join. So what inner join does is it only retrieves the common parts. For suppose there is a user with user id 10, and there is a okay, let me give you example also. See, in users I have user id 1, I have 1 2 3, and I have here again, I have products table. Just a second, I have here products table, and here I have user id 1, I user id 2 and user id 4. And on on this data, if I do inner join, what my output will be is, see, as inner join only gives the common elements, we'll get the output as 1 2 only, will not get 3 and will not get 4. Hope this is clear regarding inner join. Okay, okay, now let us go back to our querying. See, yeah, is it visible? Yeah, let's go. So what he says is he wants to join orders table and users table, and from both the tables he wants order ID, username, and order quantity. See, first order ID is from orders table. Let me show you the orders table right now. Where is the orders table? So in orders table we have the ID, we have the order ID, and we have order quantity in user table, but username we have in the users table. So we need to join these two tables. What we'll do, first we'll what we want here, we want order ID, right? First ID comma name comma quantity. From where we want from two tables, right? We'll write orders as O. I am aliasing it as O. Inner join. I am doing inner join on orders table and users table, where the left table is orders and right table is users. Users and as U, and with whenever you are using join, you should use the on keyword also. On what we are using, there must be two common columns in both the tables, right? Let's see what our common column is. See, first things first is, in users table we have ID, and in orders table we have a foreign key which is referring to the users table. So we'll do o dot user ID equal to u dot id. Okay, here see, this id is from, we want order id, right? So we'll write o dot id, and we'll write u dot name because it is username, and here o dot quantity. See, we got all the records of people uh, who ordered who ordered in how much quantity. Okay, we got all these records. This is how you use inner join. Is this clear? Yes or no, guys? We are just using inner join and on keyword. If we want the common data between both the tables, we use inner join. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So what is the task given here? It says you should left join products table with reviews table. So as I is giving first products table, we'll take products table as the left table and reviews table as the right table. So what is a left join does is, okay, let me go back to my keyboard, whiteboard, blackboard here. See, if we do a users and products table, and if I want only all the data from the left table, in case, see, if I want only the data from users table, all the data from users table, and only common data from products table, we'll use left join. Okay, see, we'll write the query here. We'll what he wants to select product name and review rating. I'll write name comma rating from products P, in left join, reviews from reviews table, reviews are. So first of all, let us check the how the products table and reviews table look. In products table we have ID, we have name, we have name of the product, we have one foreign key which is referring two foreign key which are referring to other tables, and we have price, we have stock. So let's look at reviews table now. In reviews table, what we have, we have one ID as the primary key, we have product ID as the reference key, foreign key which is referencing to the products table. So we'll use this and we'll do our join. So let's go uh, on p dot id equal to r dot product underscore id. We want product name, right? So p dot name and r dot rating. See, we have the ratings column here. See, ratings column here. If we run this query, see, we got the correct query. We got all the names of the products and the rating given to them. See, laptop pro, we got rating 5. Smartphone X, we got 5. Okay, there are multiple products here. This is how we use left join. Okay, guys, is this clear? Okay, let's go. what is the task here? We should write join reviews with products. Okay, so as it is right join is completely opposite to right join. In left join we want all the table from the left, all the data from the left table, and in right join we want all the tables from the right table. Okay, we want all the tables from the right, all the data from the right table. Okay, now see, he wants product name and review comment. Select name, comma, comment. He wants comment, so we are using comment column on from reviews as the left table. Reviews are right join products p on r dot product id equal to p dot id. We want product name, so we'll write p dot name and we'll write r dot comment. That's it. If we run our query, see, we got all the names of the products and we got the comment also. See, why we are getting here null is, see, as we did right join, uh, as the right table is products, right? We'll get all the data which we have in the right table. In this case, we have products table. So we have got all the names of our products, but we have got only the comments which are present in the left table. We have not got all the comments. Okay, this is how you do it. Okay, guys, is this done? Give me a thumbs up if it is okay, or should I repeat it again? Please be interactive, guys. Are you there or not? Okay, let's go. This is the another topic. First we have seen inner join, then we have seen left join, we have seen right join. Now we are seeing self join. See, what it says is join employees with themselves. We should join employees table with employees table itself. In this case, we will use the self join. Okay, so what it shows is, what it wants is, it wants each employee and their manager name. We want first our employee name and his manager name. So all the data is in employees table only. See what we have here in employee table. We have the employee ID, because manager is also an employee, right? ID, we have the employee name, email ID, department ID, manager ID. We got here manager ID. So see what it says is, it is a foreign key and it is referencing itself. It is self-referencing foreign key. So we, on this basis, we'll do our join. So first we'll write select. We want the name, right? And okay, we'll go there again. We want self join. So from employees, I'll take first one as E1 and I'll write join employees. There is no such thing as self join, we'll use join only. Employees E2 on what? On what we'll do the join? On E1 dot manager ID. So first we want our manager ID, right? We want our manager ID and E2 dot ID. We'll just do E2 dot ID. So what we want here is, we want E1 as our manager. We want first E1 as our manager. So E1 dot name as manager name. Manager name. We are aliasing it. And second one is, okay, E2 dot name as employee name. Let's check if it is correct or not. So it says, what it says is, okay. So I was wrong. I mismatched it. In under manager name, we are getting the data of employees, and under employees name, we are getting the data of managers. So it is as simple as that. We'll write here E2 and we'll write here E1. Let's check if it is correct or not. No, it is still wrong. Okay, E1, E2, and we'll write this as employee name, and we'll write this as manager name. See, we got the correct. Under employee name, we have got all the data of employees and their managers. For Mike Sales, his manager is John. This is how you do self join. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go. Here, what it says is we want to join multiple tables. We want to join orders with users and orders with products. See, join orders with users and products. Okay, what we'll do here is first what let's check what we want. We want select ID, order ID. We'll select it as ID. We want name, username, and we want product name. Again, name. From users as you join. We'll just use common join, and after that, sorry, orders with users, right? From orders O join users you. What we'll do here on, see, in orders we have a foreign key which is referring to user ID. So we will use that o dot user underscore id equal to u dot id. And to use multiple join, we'll use the join keyword again. So what this does is, it will first things first, it will join orders and users on based on user ID and u dot id. And after again we do join what we want here, products p on again o dot user id. Sorry, in orders we also have a reference, a foreign key which is referring to products, right? So o dot product id equal to p dot id. Let's check if it is working or not. Okay, okay, yeah, we aliased it here, but we have not written it here. So what ID we want? We want order ID. So we'll write o dot id. What name we want? First is username. So u dot name, and we got here p dot name. See, if we got what we have got here is we got ID, we got the product name. That's it. This is correct. Okay, guys, is this clear? This is how you join multiple tables. Here what we did is first this what this query does is it will take orders table and it will join itself with users table, and it will take again orders table and it will join itself with products table. That's why we have written orders O only once, and we have write join users U and join products P. Okay, guys, give me a thumbs up if it is okay. Okay, let's go. Now, what this task is, let us decode this. It wants we should join orders table with users table, but we should only show orders from users who are in USA. So it is simple. We want only the data of users who ordered from USA only. See, first it says select order ID, username, and country. So what we'll do, we'll write select um, order ID o dot id, username u dot name, and u dot country. What it is, we should join orders with users. Sorry, from orders o join users u. Again the same thing on ord o dot user id. We have a foreign key in orders table as user id, and u dot id. And after this we should it says We want only the orders from users in USA, right? So we'll use the where clause, where country equal to USA. See, we got only the orders placed by the people who reside in USA. Okay, is this clear? Is this clear, guys? Should I proceed? With this, the John's topic is over. We'll go further now. See, till now we have completed querying data, sorting data, filtering data, joining data. Now we are going to grouping data. See, this is simple again. It is basic grouping functions. Count the total numbers of orders in orders table. It is simple. Select count of orders from orders. That's it. There are 25 orders. Okay, this is simple. We'll go further. It says calculate the total stock quantity across all products. So let us go to the products table here. See what we got. We have a column called stock. So let's do that. It is simple. Select sum of stock from products. That's it. The total sum is 3345. We'll go further again. We want the average salaries of all employees. It is in simple. Select average of salary from employees. That's it. See, this is the average 76,500. Okay, are you guys following or should I slow down? Okay, let's go. We want to find the minimum price and maximum price. This is also simple again. Select a minimum of price, comma, max of price from products. See, minimum is 9.9 and maximum is 999.99. Okay. This is somewhat intermediate problem which I can say. Count the number of users in each country, and we should also show the country name and count. So we want the country name. Select country, comma, count of users, right? Count of users from users. So guys, if we run this command as usual, you will get an error because it will say we are using an aggregate function, right? Whenever we are using an aggregate function with another normal column, we should use group by. We'll do group by country, and if we run the query now, see, we have got all the users which are present in Australia. In Australia there are 2, Canada 4, UK 3, USA 6. Okay, let's go. See, show countries that have more than 3 users. Display country and user count. So it is saying display country and user count. First we'll say select country, comma, count of. This is count of users. This is one part of the question done. From which table? From users table. Done. And what the question here is, show countries that have more than 3 users. So we want to only show the countries where there are more than 3 users. So we'll use the having clause. First we'll group by country. We cannot use having before group by. We should always use having after group by. Having count of users greater than 3. So we got only the countries where there are more than 3 users, Canada and USA. Okay, this is done, guys. After that we'll move to another important topic which is called subqueries. Subqueries is nothing. In this, what it does is there is a concept called inner query and outer query. We'll write it down first and then I'll explain it to you guys. So what it says, you should select name and price of products where price is greater than the average product price. Okay. First part is simple. Select name, price from product table. From product table. Now, second part of the question. Price is greater than the average product price. First of all, we should know the average product price. Okay. So, we'll use the where clause here, where price should be greater than average, right? Average price, right? So, price greater than, we'll open brackets and we'll write another query. Select average of price from product. So, till here, this is the outer query, this is the inner query. So, how the process is done is, first the inner query is executed. From this query, we will get the average price of products, and price, only the price where the average price is greater, we'll only get that data here. See, we got only 4 columns here where these all are greater than the average price. Let us check what the average price is. See, we got here 999, 699, 149 and 299. First, let us check what the average is. Average is 145. Okay. Now, we got all which are greater than 145. Okay. This is how we use subqueries. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's go. Subqueries in from. So I'm trying to wrap it up in less than an hour or 1.5 hour maximum, because you guys are also many of them might have attended college today, as today is Monday. So we'll wrap it up as soon as possible. Okay. So what it says is create a subquery that select users from USA. Then how many users there are. We want to know how many users there are in USA only. So first is select count of, we'll use count of star because we want all the users from we'll write a subquery here only because we want the people from USA, right? We'll open bracket, we'll write select um, users from users where country equal to USA. So what this does is, this query gives us all the users which are from USA, and this outer query counts the users. But if we run this, we'll get an error. Why? Okay, no, we have not gotten an error. Okay, guys, there are six. We could have written it directly, but to know how subqueries work, we are using this. Okay. So this is using exists operator. So what this does is, select name and email of users who exist in the order table. Okay, we want names and emails of users who exist in the order table. So instead of here we can use joins, but we are using it using subqueries and exists. So what we'll write? Select name. First part is select name comma email from users. I am aliasing it as you. So what we want the users who exist in the orders table. We want the users who have placed an order. So we'll use where exist in. We will use exist in uh, select one from orders. Will alias orders again, where o dot user id equal to u dot id. So what this query does is, first the inner query, it will select one column from orders where the user ID from orders and user ID from user table both are matching, and if that row exists, we'll get the users data. See, we got all the data of users which have placed an order. So this might be confusing and over complex. We can write it in another way. It is simple. Select name comma email from users. This is the first part done, where we'll use the again, where id in, we'll use the in operator. Id in, select user id from orders. See, we got the correct output again. So what this does is, this is also the subquery concept only. First, we'll select the user ID from orders. We'll get all the user IDs from orders table, and we'll check whether whether the user ID is present in the retrieved column from the inner subqueries there or not. And if it is true, we'll get name and email. Okay, this is all about subqueries. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go. We'll do set operators and we'll wrap it up. See, what this says is select all cities from users and all location from department. First, we'll do select select city from users, and again we'll do select location from department. To combine these both queries, uh, a keyword called union. See, we got all the cities here and location from departments. Both are the same things, and these are not repeated. These are distinct. These are no duplicates. So if you want duplicates, it is simple. We'll write select. So what it want? We'll want all countries from users. Select country from users. We'll use union all, and we'll do select countries from suppliers also. Done. We got duplicate items also here. Okay, guys, that's it. This is all which I wanted to say today. Okay, I know we are wrapping it up in 1 hour only. There are multiple things here. There are modifying data, there are insert columns, update columns, delete columns. I know that you may all know this, or even if you don't know, you can just go to YouTube and learn each concept easily. And this is all the basics, and afterwards we have some things as common table expressions and also window functions, which I may not be able to explain now because time may not permit it, because it is a big concept and also very important concept. Okay, these are all the data type constant, integer types, data types. These are all basic things. I'll share this the link of this lab, and you can try it out later. So before that, let us do some lead code problems. Okay, first we'll do load database. We have loaded the database. See, first check what we have here. This is a lead code problem, guys. We have products table. We have only one table. In that we have product ID as primary key, and we have low fats and recyclable. These are enums. So what the question is? Let us see the question here. Even I don't know what this question is. Write a solution to find the IDs of products that are both low fat and recyclable. Okay, we can return this in any order. So let's do it. He want IDs, right? IDs. Select ID from products, where, let's see, again database schema. uh, where low fats equal to y and recyclable equal to y. So product ID, right? Recyclable. Yeah. Spelling. Sorry. See, we got we'll first we'll load sample data. See, in our sample data, what we have here is product ID 0. It is low fat, but it is not recyclable. Only where we have both Y is or product ID 1 and product ID 3. So if we do this and if we run this, recyclable. See, we got product ID 1 and 3. This is an actual lead code problem, guys. Okay. Uh, we'll do again another. We'll just see randomly what are here. Okay. First, we'll load the database. We have a world table where we have name, continent, area, population, and GDP. Let's check sample data. We have Afghanistan where we have area, population. Okay, this is the table here. So, a country is big if it has an area of at least 3 million. So, we should select. Let us find. We should find name, population, comma area from world where what it says, area should be at least 3 million, area greater than 3 million. How many zeros? 3 6 zeros. Okay. Or population at least 25 million. 25000000. Let's run this. See, we got Afghanistan and Algeria. Okay guys, this is how you can do it. uh, that's it for our today's bootcamp. So before that, I want to share this link with you guys. I'll share this after the meeting. See, I have created a documentation for SQL where you can do SQL basics with when we have visual diagrams also. We have views, we have CTs here, see common table expressions. We have window functions here. We have normalization. We have advanced SQL. We have every single thing here which you can uh, check it out whenever you want for anything related to SQL. I will share it to you right after this meeting ends. That's it for today's meeting, and I will meet you guys again this weekend, Sunday, with another bootcamp. So I just want to say you, I just want to ask you a request. I want to request you something that actually I am trying to build a small student community, and as a part of this community, I am trying to host multiple boot camps. Multiple. I want to share resources. I want to help students grow. As a student myself, I know how the outside world is and how the hiring thing is going on right now, and I would encourage it if you guys actively participate in the community programs or be active in the community and add the people who you know to the community. And that's all from my side. Thank you everyone for giving your valuable time and joining and spending this time learning SQL along with me. Okay, guys, thank you. You guys can stay if you have any doubts. I'm more than happy to clear those doubts. Okay, thank you.